The grinder still showed up a little bit. There's still these few little patches here. Looks like that might come up with some steel wool maybe. If you have this 16-footer and it's real bad, I would recommend getting another gallon. I didn't get to get underneath this part. It's still on this side. I haven't sprayed this side down yet. And I barely got enough left over. So I would recommend getting 2 gallons if it's real bad. But the stuff does work. I haven't scrubbed any. It looks like where it really starts to eat it is within the 10-minute mark. I would like to get another gallon. I'm not sponsored by none of these, but the stuff does work. So hopefully I'll finish the boat up this winter to have it ready for spring.